if not just me. Beautiful song by the living legend himself, to Baba, Two-Face Idibia or Innocent Idibia. Welcome. For a very long time across the bridge, never feel happen for one reason where I put on another, where I put on another reason. But here we are right now with our position, Top Tuesday edition of Across the Bridge. My name is Tirume Bobby MC Around B, and by my left, I have the first voice of Naija FM.
Present.
Godwin Abuwayo in the building.
Present.
Very active.
Present.
And by my far right, very perpendicular to me.
Opposite, actually.
Wait, perpendicular. What's it perpendicular?
I know the member what perpendicular mean, but
no, you get one way. No, not be
I know you get, but perpendicular by the side.
Yes.
No, but opposite might be this one.
No, opposite might be where OTBD now.
Adjacent.
No, not adjacent. No. Yes, they use that for teaching. It's adjacent to me. Waiting on the face to you, but they beside you. You know, he's the one and only Otili of the Lee Temple OTB in the building.
You can say this is the men of a table of men.
Table of men. Table of men. Very correct. Here to raise the pick. Raise the pick. First of all, we just get a very prevailing issue. I want all of us put back today because we are men, not just men, but fathers and also responsible men. So, late hours of yesterday, Godwin Abuwayo and OTB, I started seeing some news. Equatorial Guinea, I say, wait, this one not concern you. I'm more focused on Nigeria issue. You get only when I come see say, hey, 300 sextapes, 400 sextapes. I say, what's going on? As a responsible man, I was not tempted. You get. First of all, I went to check the story behind this. They said they arrest, you know, EFCC in Nigeria. So this man, they hold that kind of position for Equatorial Guinea. So it was the Director General of Equatorial Guinea National Financial Investigation Agency, ANIF,
aka their own EFCC.
Their own EFCC, when they look into corruption. Why they arrest her? Because they suspect say he the one for fraud too. Person when they fight corruption, they corrupt. You get just like we dey get for here too. So now they come say make they investigate this man. So during the process of arresting him, going through his record, now they jam videos for his sister. Over 300 video with different women. Those same people when jam right now can't decide upload everything. It can't be like say that they move away from the corruption and fraud case to sex tape arrangement. Before you know, videos start to recirculate on top social media. According to them, these different women when this guy they sleep with at different time of his life when he record, and with the women also very much aware they are, according to the alleged list too, they are the wife of the director of presidential security.
No, you go say the women are all stars.
Okay.
All star list.
All star list. When you mean all star list, explain.
All star, you know about basketball. You get they play all stars. All stars they go pick the best players from different teams. They come play against each other. Now this one represent the people who can the quality of people. Now only all stars.
All stars will be. Even Attorney General.
Not anyhow street.
Not anyhow street. Attorney General wife. The daughter of the director of general of police, the wife of his pastor little brother, his godfather,
the wife
of a pastor little brother, that's the junior brother of a pastor wife, he take her. The own godfather wife, you know what to be godfather? Like what to show one the baby to
like my chairman wife.
Your chairman, he take her. The century wife, he take her. He prodigal wife, he take her. He 15 friends of his younger sister, he take them. He pastor wife, your pastor wife, he pastor when they pray for her, he take his wife. The wives of several ministers, including even Minister Oburu, that popular pastor when he capable to deliver. He take that one wife. Sorry, he deliver that one wife too. He only two brother wife, he take her. He uncle pregnant wife, he take her. And other notable heavy women, when they never did marry self, he take them. And every of this video, he recorded them with the women very well. For those of us who don't use mistake, he tried to research this news. Now I take jump some of the video. So there was just one link I clicked. He had 49 video, and I was just scrolling and trying to confirm what they were saying was real.
You know, as media personalities, we need to be sure of the information before we.
You need to investigate properly.
You know the man named Balthazar Ngonga.
And there were some things we noticed in the video. which don't make me dey a little bit confused now. Because I was saying that because of money these women they give themselves, setting up because these women hold themselves.
Maybe make them call the all stars.
Now all stars, yes.
They call them hold themselves. But we get what we notice.
No, behind the mister, I see a few of the videos.
Okay, a few too.
For the start purposes, because I cannot be doing an ESA.
Your Arab is like 49.
Yes, 49.
How many you see?
I just check 4.
Me, I see like 3.
Now 4, like, and really, the demand is
49 on that.
you know, as I watch the videos, as they browse through them, you know the song will come my mind. I'm that Afrikaner brother that your boyfriend wants to be, cause I'm so and that. You understand? The man carry go about the truth first. The man carry.
You see what he carry?
How can a man like me be bothered about what another man carry?
Baba, no, the man carry.
When they get low self-esteem.
No, but when I see what the man carry, I was not intimidated because
you're in that class.
Yeah, you carry her.
I carry too. But what I can't think, I said, the only rational explanation for this thing say the man they use juju. No, man tell you my reason why. No man tell my reason why, because the quality of the women
when you run
with
best,
then too many to be coincidence say all of them just fall for the same man. I think there's something fetish.
That's even one. Then 2, they for them to now agree to record them.
400 people.
There's something. There's something.
You know that kind of touch and follow or something. I don't know. I don't hear the stories of people that go say put something for her, shake person or kiss person or touch and I believe say there's a fetish apart from the fact that the man he carry physically.
Yes.
And maybe by word of mouth.
And that's it. Is it very, when you look at the man, is it attractive?
Very attractive.
It's okay. I mean, I'll give man.
No, for Equatorial Guinea, fine.
No, say he's there. He too fine, like, but he's doing okay.
For Equatorial Guinea, that guy that has man.
But if you watch the video, you go to the man. Apart from say he carry the man sabi. Then, but maybe
he deliver. Not before 6 seconds.
And then they rush.
Average video that 4 minutes.
And then they rush. They taking time.
And during that time, not take break.
So that 4 minutes, now you spend 49. Now you watch 49. That's 49 times 4.
What do you mean?
You spend over.
Is that the man they use fetish stuff or by word of mouth of 1 or 2?
God bless you.
One confirm say they say he carry more see. Say good. But even at that, why I really believe say something fetish involved now say. For over 300 women to agree, me you record it. Except one say he don't try like 1,000. That the 300 they record.
So another before I go for that, if you don't try over 1,000, out of that 1,000 about 300
may you record.
Well, that means what they take your time till they do.
Exactly.
Now it work with that.
I think they make more. I think make money. I think climb to this position because at this point it look like now every now and then that means
like a full year.
So make every day.
And no man really, no man go fit sustain that for a whole year every single day.
King Solomon, nothing do pass me.
So this is what I think. First of all, I really be worried why the guy they go rugged all throughout. He not even fear infection, or say maybe in the immune to infection, because on top of those videos I see, there was never a time he put that protection. He not use rugged all of them, and the women not the fear.
That's why they say the attorney general don't talk say apart from the fact that they detain her for prison because of case we concern embezzlement of funds. They say they go also charge her with offense against public health if they find out say after test say he get any sexually transmitted disease, which means they go say you know say you get disease, you want to spread them. If we don't hear story of some girls who don't talk say because of one guy that give me HIV, I come back say I go share and give men, so they make it easy for men to sleep with them just to come.
Might go back. I would disagree with you from the juju side or the fetish side.
Okay.
Certainly not. This man, the only reason why we conversate about this man and say now he won't come outside. There are people who don't do more than this guy.
Where's your evidence?
In numbers, but evidence.
Where's your evidence?
But
don't forget say we get radio.
Yes.
And for you to say people don't do this kind, don't do pass, and you don't get evidence. That means that street talk we just did.
Yes, 72 hours ago, who feel say this man do this kind of thing? Everybody feel say.
And then we need to ask
now married man with how many children? 6 children.
We need to ask ourselves.
Beautiful wife.
How how long it takes for them to gather this video?
They say
so if that's something went on to do for like in the last 5-10 years, you go say it's possible. But if now in the space of 1 or 2 years, because you also need to find out how long it don't be this EFCC chairman, because the kind of influence we get to power, money, all those kinds of things go easily.
No, not to those women when they those women get their own stars now.
No, you get the all stars too.
Now I tell you what I feel. This now based on say we they come from street, and you know, Baba, as you dey like this, when you dey young, if you take one babe, and you perform well, guess what?
A testimony now.
Now the fella will they call her for street. The babe will say, hey, that guy, wow, guess what? Instantly, that your friend don't they eye you. And anything will make you move mad, you take that friend, take another one.
R&B, are you speaking from experience? When they talk this is so, if you like say you don't who.
But you see a lot of them are married women. So I can't wonder which kind of them are friends. Which kind refer are married women? So now married women they refer themselves to married women.
What you call the all stars? See the name, see the people. All of them are the same circle.
They know each other.
They know each other. Women discuss a lot of things when men said what they talk about. Now what you need to realize. So I feel say that one will just boy that guy first of all carry he dey deliver. You say hey, my husband not dey try. May I go test her now? And the guy is ready for office table. He just spread out. And the guy say like a back view too well because he moved.
The man in fact the man are from back, right? The man most of the videos are from back.
So I feel say that one play a lot of role for these women. Because it wasn't about the money. I don't feel say it was about the money because these women go check their profile, their own bread, their husband they alright. So how much this man want?
So what if he said the government is supposed to do? It reminds me of one story of one for one.
So let me tell you the truth.
For one book.
If I be those women, I go sue everybody when release that video.
No, see, I tell you what
happened. Maybe the man, I go sue them.
Make I give you the story what happened for one book where I read. They talk about some years ago in those days, one man where he win the heart and the bank account of the 30 richest women in America. 30 richest women, like they spread all over different states.
I think they added the movie on that.
He go fall in love with, go make all of them fall in love with them. Eventually, the man can't get money past them. You know, I think that one of them can't discover. How you discover? I think the man can't get accident. They can't call in S of K. One of them, and I can't say in the hospital. And like 2 or 3 can't jam for hospital. You say that I ain't get. Find out what happen. They can't sue. I mean, that's what they call class actions to plenty people together. When they can't jail them, press company they say they want interview. Oga, tell us how you take make 30 women, the 30 richest women in America fall in love with you. The man gonna say, well, my secret now this and this. I can't talk in secrets, which I will not say on air. You understand? So that guy man now, this guy Ganga man. They need to ask him, Baba, what will be the secret? Because now research material now. What will be the secret? Secret for 2 ways. Number one, all this quality of women, no be anyhow, no be poor women.
And you don't even take them for test. So you don't go say inside of the bush. Inside by the beach.
And I think there's a sad twist to it, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know whether they say one of the women where we say but he reached to it. I don't know.
So 2 angles. How you check they convince these women maybe say money no be their problem. What be the secret? Secondly, they allow you record them. What be the secret? Now research, but they need to find out. Now movie split with this.
God do not tell you the truth. In as much most of us here go they form hypocrites based on political reason. But you see when it reach time for man and woman matter for the other room, if you pull a camera most time, nobody they say no.
Well, I don't feel
no. You know why? Because you never talk, you never try them before.
No, never try. No,
you never pull out camera when the woman say no.
No, and the man go say. Me, I don't dey way.
You know people get sex video for their phone.
R&B. I don't say when they don't bring.
No, because when they talk, no, I don't get. Let me phone be this.
I don't dey when they don't pull out camera. Why I say no? Because you don't know when that video fit end up.
Do you understand?
You understand? And delete the potential. Don't every way they delete. Something where you delete don't come on your phone. You dey hang.
It is somewhere.
You know that your laptop issue.
No wonder. You go need to see.
You go give one repairer. The repairer come recognize your face. Come see something there. Come begin say, this one R&B of Nigeria FM.
Now you say you normally forget sextape inside your phone.
You say
you get.
Sometimes you don't even need to convince anybody. Say let's do a video. When you reach type of that kind of woman and mama, especially for room when you don't do in the moment, bro. Once they pull out videos on television, you go in one position, show say you dey perform well.
I can't speak for other people, but for myself, I'm not sure say I ready to that camera.
No
matter how I switch rich, keep on one side. I can't do for myself. I don't want camera to do waiting.
In those days when I was in the world, and they reject camera.
Not talk of now when you're close to Christ.
On the side of God, I don't even do it. I don't need camera because I only do it with I'm a one-woman man. No, but I the truth I tell you so now. The truth.
But I don't know. First of all, since it don't concern the loss of life. Now, why if you say whoever released that video shouldn't have, because that was not the focus of your investigation. That was not the focus of your investigation. You should have no reason to say,
even if I see those things, they will still keep them secret first. They probably investigate them secretly. Let me say you go open up, release them like this.
You know the numbers they release are now. Phoebe say seeing enemy there. Or enemy wife.
Or maybe see your wife there.
See your wife there.
300 can be anybody. 300 is so much now. It can be anybody.
It's a lot.
You don't take this guy out for Nigeria now. 300. I'll be quick see you.
The time where these people, the time where they call their name. What is this social media? This
we don't know.
We bring all stars list of people where they say they do.
Just
okay, that we got the.
Now I'm gonna bring list of people. Now even though say no get, but we'll see one or two videos of one or two people where they did. You understand? When I go bring list for Nigeria, you know see the all stars where they did.
When food,
That will not be all stars. That one that all of famous. All of what? All of famous. I shocked now. I said they get one very big. If you want to Nigerian music Hall of Fame. If you want to say one put top 10 Nigerian musicians, he did there for that list, I say I never bet the press phone. And I hey God, even this one I gave Ray. You understand? But so in the list, I don't surprised we get Nigerian person we get videos like this. We don't know what's
see, for this Lagos when they do OG, what they call it, OG party. When you go enter, as you enter, they collect your phone, you naked.
Are you serious? For what?
No, they do it.
What did you say?
They get WhatsApp group.
Yes, so
they get WhatsApp group where they discuss the whole thing.
Every December, when those adults got back, they come back. They arrange. Instantly, everybody they pure each other.
Are you for real?
I said all for one, all for all. For this Lagos, now you say some of their secret never come outside. All this man, everybody just judge this man. Hey, they do worse than waiting that they do.
That be now the cash, that be thief.
That be thief, my brother.
Once you want to know what this guy will say, anybody will see any of those videos as they vex. Once they see what the guy can,
he go check my.
The first come down like.
Oh, now I understand.
I have to call out one of our investigative room just now. When me and one of my colleagues they look at. Funny enough, this now colleague. If you don't know when you say this side is actually the right side.
So imagine you did your work as that people collect. So these women were too referral.
You know how many guys are intimidated by that video?
Even when I see the video, what's this rubbish? Weapon of destruction.
When I see the bad from somewhere in my mama, I say I say this is kind of me.
Now this is how people supposed to do video.
Kind of size.
Not the unslave video.
Oh man, that
was rich. Imagine say this one they say they do there's no party like a DD party. Imagine say this one now one senator for US. Bro, be this one, bro.
Hey. You see what it
also the FBI director for America.
It don't finish. You see what it comes out for PDD news. So most of those parties they get non-disclosure.
Yes, not the sign.
Every one of them, even including the one where they put claim, they sign. Say after your death, 20 years after your death, your family should not talk about it. Some of them, 70 years after your death, your family not supposed to talk about it. Like that means they knew what they were going to do. They signed that.
They know what happened there now.
So why did they charge the guy right now? If not the agenda on top agenda. But I feel say I don't know. I feel say Didi they left here this man because this man went far. Didi were young babes from state to state. This man were rolling with his family member.
People in government, people in family, people in church, people in town.
He
said 15 friends of him.
Of his junior sister.
Junior sister, 15 friends.
You get one picture where I see, there were like 20 people in that picture. All the women where they present inside the picture. You don't take on.
But not so who they actually they calculate this thing they give us. So say 15 friends.
Investigators or people do.
15 friends of in sister. This one one.
Two.
This one that your other friend now two. They can't 15. That investigator go watch that out.
That is all for today. OTP, Godwin, and Iran on top there across the bridge for Tuesday edition.
Alright, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.